Here we have a really nice Milwaukee magnetic base drill press. We have it powered up so you can watch it run. There's your magnet. We tested the magnet. It operates very nicely. Base swivels as it should. And now we're going to turn the unit on. We're going to hit the forward button. And as you can see, it starts up. This is variable speed. Hit the E-stop here and then put it in the opposite direction. That's reverse. And do the same thing again. So the head raises and lowers. Very nicely there. Put the E-stop. So one of the plastic handles here, the ball handles, it broke. So if you want to replace that, you can. Also on the measuring tape right here, part of it broke off. Did not affect any of the components. It's got a couple little dirt scuffs on it. And there's a little corrosion right here. I don't know what that's from, but in any case, the unit does operates very nicely.